Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn nouns and its kinds. Now there are many kinds of nouns. You can see everything around you. Okay, have a look around you once. Okay, come back. Now we are going to learn what are nouns. We are going to revise. Okay, noun is a naming word of person, place, animal or anything. Right? Now have a look around you. What did you see? You saw tree, plants, television, chair, table, your mother, your father, your grandfather, your younger sister, your elder sister. You can see all of them, no? So what are they? They all are a name given to them. There is a name given to them, so that is a noun. Noun is a naming word. Now tell me, you can see a television in front of you. Okay, so what is television? Television is a noun. But what type of noun? Today we are going to learn types of noun with examples. Okay, let's see the definition. First one is common and proper nouns. Now, common nouns are the names given in common to all people, places or things of the same kind. Okay, if I say all students close your book, so now every one of you will close the book. But if I mention only Ravi will close the book and come out of the class, so he will close the book and he will come out of the class. So I told Ravi in particular. So that Ravi is a proper noun. But in the previous sentence I told all the students close your book. So all the students I told in common. So that is a common noun. Right? Let's see proper nouns definition. What is a proper noun? A proper nouns are the names given in particular. Given in particular means properly given to them. To all people, places or things. Okay. So coming back to the previous point, you can see the television in front of you. Now what is a television? Is it personally for you or is it for everybody in the house? It's for everybody in the house, right? So that is a common noun. Television is a common noun. What about girls? Girls, common noun. But if I say particular name of the girl, then that will be a proper noun. For example, if I say Sushma, so that Sushma will be the proper noun and girls will be the common noun to all the girls, right? Now let's see some more examples. You can see common nouns examples. Laptop. Now I told you open your laptop. So that will be the common noun. But which laptop, whom to open, who will open that and what to open inside that, that will be the proper noun. But if I say open Dell laptop or I bought Dell laptop yesterday from the market, so that Dell will be the proper noun. Let's look at the second example, stationery. Now stationery means all the stationery, so that will be the common noun. But if I say only Natraj stationery, so that Natraj will be the proper noun. Cell phone. You all have seen cell phone, right? You all are using it very frequently nowadays. So cell phone is a common noun. But if I say which company is it, then that will be the proper noun. That is Nokia. So Nokia will be the proper noun. Okay. If I say iron, you know iron, to iron clothes we use iron. So that iron is a common noun. But if I say which company it is, it's a Philips company iron. So that will be a proper noun. Now cosmetics. You all must have seen your mama, your sisters, your elder sister must be using cosmetics, right? Lipstick, talcum powder, bindi, all of that. What is that? It's a common noun. But if I say what in the cosmetics, that will be the proper noun. For example, if I say a cosmetics company, That is Lakme. You all must have heard about Lakme, right? It's a very famous company. So Lakme will be the proper noun. Okay, now coming to second type of noun. What is it? It's abstract nouns. What do you mean by abstract nouns? It's a type of a noun. But what is abstract noun? Okay. For example, I like Jatin very much. So Jatin is my student. But I told I like Jatin. Jatin is a good boy. So can I touch that like? No, I can touch Jatin. But can I touch like? No. Okay. If you say you love your parents, right? So if you say I love my parents. So can you touch that love? No, you can only feel it, right? Okay. So friendship between two girls. There is a very strong friendship between two girls, okay? So can those two girls or anyone else touch that friendship? No, it's an abstract noun. Now let's look the definition. Abstract nouns are the names of feelings, ideas or any type of quality. For example, if I say Jatin is a brave boy, Jatin is very intelligent, so that is his quality, right? So that will be abstract noun. Let's see other examples. Joy, anger, friendship, bravery, comfort, all these nouns are abstract nouns. Let's look at some more examples. Here you can see an abstract noun is something you cannot. What you cannot? You cannot touch, you cannot hear, you cannot smell, you cannot taste, you cannot see. Okay, with the 5 senses you cannot do the word, that word will be the abstract noun. Let's revise. An abstract noun is a noun which you cannot touch, you cannot hear, you cannot smell, you cannot taste, you cannot smell, right? Okay. Now you can see a animal over here. What is he famous for? He is famous for his bravery, right? So bravery is an abstract noun because we cannot touch that bravery. Now next example you can see health and healthy heart. You cannot touch that heart, how much healthy it is. So that will be an abstract noun. Freedom. You all like freedom, right? Freedom to play in the PT period, in your proxy periods. Yes, remember those feelings. So you can touch that freedom? No, you can only enjoy it, you can only feel it. So that is an abstract noun. Let's see some more examples. Luxury. What do you mean by luxury? Luxury is something which feels like comfort, or you feel like, yes, this is my luxury. For example, luxury in a car, luxury in a 5-star hotel. So all those words you can only feel it, all those emotions you can only feel it, right? Luxury. But if I mention silk, so silk you can touch. Okay, concrete nouns. Now what is concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are those which you can touch. Okay, let's come. Luxury, success, energy, friendship and luck. Can you touch your luck? No, you can only feel that this coin is my lucky coin, right? You cannot touch that. Okay. Next one we have collective nouns. Now what you mean by the word collective? Collective means a group, right? A group of any person, animal or anything. Collective nouns are the names of group of people, animals or things. For example, crowd, army, bunch, etc. You can see the bunch of grapes, army of soldiers, Crowd of people. When you go to the market, you can see crowd of people, right? And you can also see those bunch of grapes beautifully in the market. So all those are in the collective position, collective nouns. Okay, let's see some more examples. Okay, let's understand what is next type of noun. We have number 4 as countable nouns. Now what is countable nouns? Countable nouns are something which you cannot count. And what about uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns is something which you can count, right? Now let's study what is uncountable noun and countable noun. First, let's see the definition of countable nouns. Countable nouns are the words that can be counted. For example, a book. Can you count a book? Yes. So, how many books do you have for your 6th class? You have many books, but you can count it. So, that is a countable noun. Pen, table, apple, camera and CD. All these nouns are countable. Okay, let's see uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are in huge quantity. We cannot count. Uncountable nouns are the words that cannot be counted. For example, sugar. Okay, when your mama fills sugar in a jar, can you count how many sugar is kept or how much grains of sugar are there? You cannot count. So it's an uncountable noun. Rice. We love rice, no? Especially I love eating rice. Fried rice, Manchurian rice. Can you count that? No, we cannot count. So that is an uncountable noun. Next is electricity. Electricity flowing in your house is not counted. Milk, etc. Let's see some examples. Countable nouns can be counted. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. For example, an apple, school, picture, 1 picture, 2 pictures. Yes, they all are counted. Sugar, it is not counted. So it is an uncountable noun. Information. How much information you will get after this video? Can you count? No, we can only store it, right? Water, understanding, etc. All these words are uncountable nouns. Now in countable noun, we can take singular or plural verbs. If I take book, then also it's okay. If I use houses, then also it's fine. But in uncountable nouns, there is a condition. We can only take singular verbs. For example, if I say water, I will not say 2 water, 3 water, 4 water. I will say some water, much water, little water. Okay. More examples. We have eggs, banana, olive, fries, burger, hot dog, carrot, apple, tomatoes, watermelon. All these are counted? Yes, all these are counted. And what about these? Milk, flour, sugar, salt, meat, jam, honey, cheese, tea, rice. So these are not countable. Now let's revise. What did we learn today? We learned kinds of nouns. How many kinds of nouns did we learn? We learned 5 kinds of nouns. Common and proper nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns, countable, and the last one is uncountable nouns. Okay. So students, I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can contact me and you can ask me. And please refer to the exercises given to you in your textbook and also the fair books which are given, also from the notes which are given. Okay, I hope this video is clear. Thank you.